Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So can you solve this maths expression which is 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. So here 6 minus 6 which is 0 times again 0. So here comes 0. Okay, if you think answer for this question is 0 then you are wrong. Because according to order of operation which is PEMDAS where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Here you have to remember this multiplication division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here subtraction and multiplication is there. So multiplication has higher priority. Therefore, first we'll solve this part. So 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 is the 36 minus 6. Then here first we'll solve this part. So 6 minus 36 which is minus 30 minus 6 which is minus 36. So this is the correct value for this expression.